Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So did you know you can create 3D style animation videos using Canva AI? Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step, and it's perfect for beginners. So Canva AI is a built-in smart tools that help you design, animate, and also create video faster. And here, what you need to do to create a 3D animation video using Canva AI, you can just open Canva, and here you can go to the Canva AI. You can click on this one right here. So here on the Canva AI. Now you can just describe what you want to create in a video. You can describe the character, you can describe the the background and everything. So for example, in here I'm going to just go with a cute bunny hopping in a garden, in a beautiful garden full of flowers. Okay, I'm going to just go with this. Now you can just click on the video clip options and you can modify the settings, but I'm going to just go with the default one. And in here you can just click on this to submit the prompt, and after that you can just wait until the video is done. So as you guys can see in here, Canva AI will process your prompt in here, and you can just wait. This will take up to 2 minutes, so it depends on your internet connection and also the queue. So let's just wait it out. I think the Canva AI server is a little bit busy because I try a few times and it's still like this. But that's basically it. That's how you can create a 3D animation video. So I'm going to show you how the example of the video that I created from Canva AI. So here is the example. As you guys can see, this is a 3D animation video, and it also comes with audio. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.